Guys, I got in through the most unbelievable way. Guys, this YouTube channel made that possible, and I want you guys to give 3 for Vera's YouTube channel. Guys, this is episode 2 of A Week in My Life, and like we agreed from last month and from the last episode, I'll be dropping this kind of content once every month. So let's get right into it. And as usual, we are starting on the first day, that is day 1 of the week. Today is Monday, and I am at work, as you can see, or as you can notice. So I just have a couple of things to tidy up at the office, so I'll handle that and move to the second business of the day, which is something I am excited to share with you guys. So I'm talking about my first masterclass. So I'm hosting, or I'll be hosting, my first YouTube masterclass here in Enugu. So I am calling this my first masterclass because it's actually my first paid masterclass. Every other similar thing I've been doing it pro bono, but the only difference is that these people reached out to me and offered to pay for this service, and I'm like, wait, wow. Like, Sharon, that means that you must have gone through my channel, my profile, to find me worthy of chopping your money and teaching you something in exchange for your money. Okay, so that means I'm doing something right, that means I'm doing something good, and for me it is a sign of growth, it is a sign of improvement. Like, it's a win. And as you guys must have noticed, I celebrate every win, no matter how teeny tiny that win is. I am usually grateful, and I celebrate it. So for me, this is a win, and I'm so grateful to you guys because you guys made it possible. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. Without you guys, I wouldn't have people in my DMs or inbox offering to pay for services. Okay, so I'm thankful for you guys. So the first class will be happening. Thank you guys. So the first class will be happening today, which is the offline session. So right here, I'll be taking a couple of people on the offline thing, teaching them the things I know. I am not one of those big guys that have YouTube all figured out, that has the algorithm and how the system works on the palms of their hands. No, I am not. The little I know that has worked for me and has worked for a couple of people I've shared it with, these are the things I'm going to share with these people. I'll be using my channel as the guinea pig for all of that. Okay, so that is just that. While the second batch will be happening on Wednesday, that will be the online session for those of them that are not in Enugu. So that is that, guys. So I'll see you when the classes start. I actually give them 10 a.m. and you can't believe what time it is. African time is a serious problem around Africa. We need to do away with the African time thing. It's not encouraging, but that is what it is. See ya. So guys, my first student is here for today. I can't wait for other people. We'll have to start up immediately. And wait, let me show you guys.
Hi.
And she's with her baby. Very fine, cute baby.
Say hello to the camera.
Say hi, baby. See her. See how fine she is. We're just about commencing the class, and I'll see you guys in a jiffy. Alright, so there are 5 modules for our class. But the success of your channel depends solely on you. At YouTube, just like I said, it's like every other business. But I started before you doesn't mean I need to be ahead of you. You could start tomorrow and you surpass me. And that person can start next year and take over all the things we've been working. Okay, let's just say your lifestyle, your channel's goal is going to be education and lifestyle. Because today you might be teaching people how to bake, right? And tomorrow you might be taking them through your life. So now, moving away from that part, we now have to get into the main where the work is, which is setting up your YouTube channel. And I think that is where we now have to make use of your laptop. Do you have a Google account?
Yeah.
What would you title the video?
The title is making videos one, then the title is nothing.
That is really a problem.
You need to get something,
Yeah.
catchy.
Something very, not just catchy, something strategic. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are done with our tutorials, and honestly, I am tired. My mouth is paining me.
That's so good. I just hope I'm a good student because I have a wonderful lecturer. I will not call a teacher though, but because it's way more than a teacher.
If you are rating it from on a scale of 1 to 100,
that would be 90%.
90. That means I did a good thing. 90. Guys, see that? That is good. That is good. So the other person or the other two people didn't come. One person sent me a mail that he's looking for something very private. Okay, it's no problem. Okay, you were saying something about you weren't expecting all of this.
Yes, I wasn't expecting. I was just okay. My thoughts were out of the box. Like I was just thinking it was going to be an online something, and then maybe just dropping tips like writing notes. All this, WhatsApp class.
Yeah.
Write notes.
Brief things.
As in, you're doing it class, and bossy, all this kind of thing. I was like, anyhow, I'll just have to grab the note and do my digging. So it was. I don't even know what to say. It was more than what I bargained for, and trust me, I know I'll be a good student because
Better be a good
I
student.
learned from the best.
Are you going to test that?
Alright, when we are done, we'll see to that.
We'll see to that.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, and I'm glad you had a nice time. Baby, I'll see you some other time. Maybe on YouTube now. You saying hi to us, Abby. Yeah, hey, you're already doing the hi. La 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 la. Sit down, hands. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is day 3. Today is Wednesday, guys. I know you guys didn't see me yesterday. I have reasons for that, tangible reasons, but however I feel you guys will be very much interested in the next news I'm going to share with you guys, because this news is the reason why you didn't see me yesterday. Guys, recall from our episode 1 of this weekly vlog, I told you guys about writing an exam and not being sure my name will pop up there because of the process and procedures involved and all that. I'm writing to secure an internship position at the University of Nigeria Teaching Hospital. I'm just trusting God, because honestly I can't say this person has my name or I'm in that person's list or this person's list. That is just the truth. So if you're watching this vlog and you feel you can help me secure internship at UNTH, be cool, help your sister. Good news is that, guys, I got in through the most unbelievable way. Guys, this YouTube channel made that possible, and I want you guys to give 3 moza for Vera's YouTube channel. Guys, after I shared that video, someone wrote me via my email and telling me he watches my videos, he likes what I'm doing, and he heard about the internship thing and he can help. Like, he believes he would be of a good help and all that. So we kept our fingers crossed, and I sent him my details and all that. Guys, on Monday I got a mail that my name is out. Like, I got the spots. And yesterday I was at the hospital, I confirmed it, I got my appointment letter, and I wanted to share the news with you guys like ASAP. I said, no, calm down, let me just confirm it, let me confirm it before going public like all these companies do. So that was what I did. And guys, this is my appointment letter. It is real, it has my name on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is my appointment letter. I got it yesterday, and the officer giving us was like, congratulations. I said, thank you, I deserve that. This person that did this thing got to know me just through this channel. I don't know his face, I cannot recognize his voice, we've never spoken on the phone. Like, I basically know nothing about him, but he randomly did this good thing for me, and guys, I'm so grateful. So I'm also telling anyone out there that if you're looking for a reason to start up something, this should be one. If you're looking for a reason to start up a YouTube channel, this should be one. If you're trying to give up, remember that Vera got a job courtesy of her YouTube channel. Okay, I think that is reason enough. One day, even if you're not going to get a job through it, but something good is going to come into your life as long as you keep doing what you're doing. Okay, and there's also another message I'd like to share with you guys from our help. Okay, he said that if you ever ask this question, have you ever received a random act of kindness from a complete stranger, you can cheerfully and gleefully answer in the affirmative. Yes. I'm going to carry the placard, the chair lady of random kindness from strangers. I'm going to do that and represent very well, because this is the most. Guys, calm down. Then another thing he also said that got to me, and I would like to share with you guys, is this. He said, we are what we are because someone somewhere gave us an opportunity. I encourage you to imbibe this. Help anyone you can without expecting anything in return. You will live a happy and fulfilled life. And I'm like, yes, bro, preach. This is the gospel, this is the truth. We rise by lifting one another. Davido even said that, and guys, this got to me and I said let me share it to you guys so that you do not hold back from helping anybody, and the same thing would also get to you. Okay, so guys, this is my good news today, and I'm so thankful for everyone that sent in their well wishes, prayers, thoughts. I read all of that. There are people who said I cannot help, but I pray that you get this and all that. I appreciate all of that. Thank you, 5,000 of you that have been very supportive. Thank you, those of you that are still contemplating whether to hit that red subscribe button or not. And I pray and I'm asking you right now, please subscribe to this channel because it is free. Subscription is free. Help this ministry get to the permanent side. But guys, I am excited. Thank you all. Thank you all. So my itinerary today will be going to the high court. I'm going to the hospital. So I'm going to the court to swear an affidavit for my documentation at the hospital, and from there I'll be heading back to the hospital for other things, medical tests, random filling of forms and other things. It's going to be a hectic day, and I hope to carry you guys along if everything goes on well. And that's that. So far so good. So guys, please help me thank our anonymous helper in the comment section. Say something good about for him, say a word of prayer or two for him, and I'll see you guys somewhere else or tomorrow. Bye.
Don't go off the path, going in a circle, lost, no going back. Lost and we're not going back. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, 'cause love is blinding.
It's a strange world we live in. All we want is loving, searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this token.
Hey guys, so today is day 4 of our weekly vlog. Today is Thursday, as you can see. So on today's episode, today my itinerary is filming. I have a restaurant I'm reviewing here in Enugu, and guys, I really came late and I've been apologizing ever since I got here. To my friend over there, he's smiling. We were supposed to do this together, but guys, as you can if you noticed, yesterday I was out all day until late in the evening, and when I came back I really struggled to edit the protest video. I'm talking about the endsars protest that happened here in Enugu. Then this morning I woke up, had my breakfast, said let me nap a little. That was how I ended up sleeping until it was few minutes past 11. This is something I was scheduled for 12 p.m. I woke up by 11:30, not even few minutes. I woke up by 11:30 something, and I started hurrying up and I got down here. But however, this is me here. I'll be filming and doing what I know how best to do and all that, and hopefully this vlog, when it comes out, you guys will see it and show it love as usual, and make sure you patronize these people because they are nice, they are foodies. Alright guys, so without further ado, let me get into the business of the day, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. But today is what? Filming day.
It's a strange world we live in. All we want is loving, searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this token.
Hey guys, so I am done filming right now, and guys, I'm so tired. I spent a lot of time filming, talking, showing places, explaining things and describing things. So that is the work I signed up for. I'm not even bothered. However, it's already, wait, let me look at the time. It's 15 minutes to 4 p.m. right now, and I can't head back to the office. My plan was to go back to my office once I'm done filming, because the plan was to film from 12 p.m. until 1:30 or 2 p.m. But like I told you guys, I came late. First of all, I came really late, and then when I got here, I had to settle in and start filming. I actually had to wait for some people to leave because here was sort of rowdy when I came here. Not like rowdy, a lot of people were here, and the place I'm currently filming is somewhere that has a lot of high profile people coming into, so I didn't want to make them uncomfortable in someone's space. Okay, so I spent a little time for that, then started filming, and this is it. So basically I'm not going back to the office. I'll be heading back home to start work again because I've not finished the protest video. This is basically how my week looks like. Some days it is crazy, most times like a lot of people reach out to me, oh, can we meet, can we do this? It's not like I don't like meeting people, just that sometimes my schedules could be so crazy that I don't even have a spare time, like you see. So from here I'm going back to work again, and from work tomorrow it continues. However, thank you guys for watching to this point, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or when I get home. Hey guys, welcome back to the series. So today is the last day of our vlog, but before we continue into the vlog, guys, I want you all to show respect. I want you all to say a big shout out to my hair, my natural hair. Guys, this is my hair in its fullness and glory. Nothing artificial added, no weaves, nothing. Shining and glowing in its blackness and its afro as a true African woman. However, our Africanness does not lie just in our hair. If you have retouched hair, texturized hair, whatever kind of hair, you are still a true African person. Okay, so it's not just about the frills and all that. However, I'm impressed with my hair. It's not up to a year. As of February this year, I think I still had my low cut, tinted it my usual colors and all that, but I just started weaving it that same February or by March. I can't really recall, but that is that with our frill. So guys, yesterday you guys didn't see me because I was at the hospital, and throughout I left my house as early as 8. I got there by 9, and I hoped to carry you guys along, but the schedule was so busy that I didn't even have time to say hi guys, today's Thursday and all that. Today's Friday rather, because I went there with the hope of completing my medical fitness test and all that, but the procedures were not as easy as I thought. They were not as straightforward as I thought. So I ended up moving from one consulting room to the other, moving from one office to another, making copies of things, going, it was just hectic. And if you know your NTH very well, you know that it's not a small hospital. So the distance between point A and the next point you've been directed to is like, it's very far from one another. So you get to this office, they tell you, oh, you need a copy of this, or you need to get this from that place. And for you to trek, because the distances are wide far, but it's not something you can drive because of the way the hospital was made, so you just have to keep walking. So guys, I walked yesterday, and at the end of the day I managed to make one vlog that I was looking like a scrap. Like I said, no guys, I cannot present this to you guys because it was crazy. But however, this is what I looked like making the vlog. So guys, you guys can see from my face, you can tell from my face that I was really worn out. And the worst part of it is that I didn't even eat to go out because I hoped to do my fasting blood sugar test, but at the end of the day they said that they were done for us that day, so I should come back on Monday. So my fasting was in vain, but however I was just grateful that I got to a reasonable extent yesterday. I completed a lot of things, so the only thing I just need is to give them my blood samples and other samples needed. So basically that's that, and I'll be resuming that same Monday as well. So that is that. So this week I'm just going to describe this week as fun and busy. Fun in the sense that I had good news all along, and I'm busy because UNTH got me all throughout the week. However, you can't compare the stress that comes from the documentation to the joy of landing the job. Okay, so the joy covers everything. So basically that is that. So today, what did I do? I woke up this morning, said my prayers as usual, and spent most of my day online, lending my voice, screaming on top of my voice against the police brutality in Nigeria. And one thing I must say about that is that, just like I tweeted, if you don't follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is Vera, chief_Vera. So what I tweeted is that SARS has actually become a metaphor for a whole lot of things going on in Nigeria. It's not just about that special unit, it's about the inequality in Nigeria, it's about the corruption in Nigeria, it's about everything that is not working in Nigeria. So what we are protesting for right now is not just to remove SARS as a unit, but for this country to be restructured into something we all can be proud of. Okay, so for those of you abroad, we are looking towards something that if you're out there, you can boldly say, yo, I'm from Nigeria. Nobody's going to look at you twice or have this negative notion about you, or feel that you're coming from somewhere so backward that being in their country is like an opportunity for you and all that, or an escape from poverty. Okay, so we should all look out to traveling just to experience other people's culture, not as an escape route out of poverty and all that. So that's just what I feel personally. This is what I feel. We are asking for good governance, we are asking for accountability from all our leaders, we are asking for good pay, we are asking for a job, we are asking for good road, we are asking for water, we're asking for electricity, we're asking for good and stable data. In fact, we're asking for a whole lot of things in Nigeria, and this is what this whole thing stands for us, stands for me. So it's not just about that special needs, but it's about restructuring of Nigeria. Okay, so that is that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And like I said, please help me and say thank you to my helper. Seriously, I am still in shock and in awe of this whole thing, but I'm grateful to God, and I'm also grateful to him for allowing himself to be used to place me where I am currently. And thank you all for your support and your love so far. If you watched to this point, thank you for watching this vlog, and we'll be seen next time in the month of November for the episode 3 of A Week in My Life. And hopefully by then I should have been settled, and I'll carry you guys along properly in all of my daily activities. And until I come your way next time, do have a pleasant day. Remember to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, and you can follow me on all social media platforms at chief_Vera. Have a nice time.